Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on Infinix Note 12, but you can't seem to find them on a Google Play Store. And to do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store and inside try to find games like Call of Duty. Right here we can see the actual game, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And the same is with most of the games. If you're having a similar issue, we'll need to click on our profile picture. Here head on to your settings and reveal family, enter parental controls, and inside select apps and games or turn off parental controls entirely. Here we need to insert our PIN code and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if you go back, we should be able to find the game again like this and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.